stack management in 8051. When it is powered up, the default value of the stack pointer is 07. Okay, so the default value is 07. So during the execution of any relevant program where the stack is used, means where the relevant program means where the stack is used, the stack pointer will be incremented by 1. Okay, the stack pointer will be incremented by 1. So it is a common conflict of this stack concept between many microprocessor and the microcontroller. In case of 8085 microprocessor, after execution of the relevant instruction, the stack will be decremented by 1. But human being, we are the human being, are habituated with the conventional method of incrementing or decrementing the number. Okay, let us take an analogy of bookkeeping system inside the library. Okay, a series of the books are placed one by one inside the book cell. So one book is added anytime the number of the books presently available inside this stack is incremented by 1. Okay, it will be incremented by 1. So if a book is issued from there, the counting of the books will be now decremented by 1. So I mean, the stack concept of the 8051 microcontroller is very similar with this concept adapted inside the library. Okay, so the place inside the book cell is nothing but the stack. Okay, so where the stack is placed means where the book is placed one by one. Then you can find that what is the particular book is present inside this cell. Then actually where it is located means actually we are indicating the particular address of a particular book which is present inside the book cell. So place in the book cell is nothing but the stack, and the unique call number means you know that accession number and the call number, and the unique call number which is indicating the address of the particular book means actually the where the book is located inside the library's book cell. Okay, so the address I mean the call number inside the book is nothing but the address which is analogous to the address of the memory location. Actually it is the stack pointer for this stack. Okay, so most of the programmers are getting confused with this concept of stack and the stack pointer. Now I think you will be able to differentiate between them. Okay, so let us come to the topic again. So after execution of the instruction, this stack pointer value will be incremented by 1. That is, the value will be equal to 08 in case of 8051. But you can check from the RAM allocation table that 08 that is the 08 is the register address from bank 2. Okay, bank 1. So the stack and bank 1 has coincided. Okay, so before switching on the device, you can find the reset value of the I mean stack pointer is 07. So whenever I'm just switching on my device, then the stack pointer value is 08 because it is incremented by 1. So the critical, it is just like a critical situation which is appearing now. Okay, so this critical situation is not actually the critical situation for the programmer, because programmer I mean handling of that situation is not a big deal for the programmer. What a programmer will do is that he or she will initialize the stack pointer at the beginning of the program with the address of the location, that is from the RAM memory location, from say 30 location, and which is approaching towards the 7F address. Okay, now the scratchpad memory locations will be assigned as your new stack locations. Okay, thus you can avoid the conflict between the register bank 1 and the stack. The lesson 3 we shall discuss about we shall consider one good example to clarify it again. Okay, so actually this stack concept is somehow it will be different from the concept of 8085. So stack is the portion of the RAM memory location. So I have to manage it. I have to manage the stack location. I have to initialize my program in such a way that the stack will be initialized with the value with the address which is starting from my stack pointer will be loaded with the value starting from say 30, which is approaching to 7F. Okay, therefore this scratch memory location, if I use this memory location, then it will not be coincided with the register bank, because in a program I can use the register bank 1 also. Okay, so in this way I can avoid the conflict between bank 1 and bank and the stack. I find that the video is very helpful. Then you kindly share like it, like my channel to get the notification of the next lessons. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching my video.